Did you know that Gerald Genta was a Swiss watchmaker and is the driving force behind designs like Patek Philippe's Nautilus, Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak, and IWC's Ingenieur? This Gerald Genta's Royal Oak design has trickled into the catalogues of many such brands and serves as a direct inspiration behind the Casio G-Shock GA2100, also popularly known as the Casio. Project Team Tough took up the task in 1981 to build a shock-resistant structure which could withstand the forces of time, which eventually led to the genesis of G-Shock as a brand. In 1983, Casio launched the first G-Shock watch, and till this date, it is the most durable watch that you can ever buy. Fast forward to 2019, the GA2100 hit the market like a tsunami crashing down the coast. Casio has been right at the fringe between the pre and the post Casio era for the Casio brand. So today I've got these 7 watches with me, and look at them, how beautiful do they look. But the real question is Casio still a good buy in 2024? Let's answer these questions quickly. The Casio GA2100 comes with a case size of 45.4 mm, a lug-to-lug width of 48.5 mm and a thickness of 11.8 mm. For the size of the watch, it is pretty light with only 57 grams in weight. I don't even feel this one on my 7-inch wrist honestly. This has a great water resistance of 200 meters, making a lot of other expensive watches shimmy away from the Casio. Casio typically incorporates resin, stainless steel and carbon fiber, including their trademarked carbon core guard structure, which is extremely shock resistant. With a decent battery life of 3 years, this offers a whole lot of features that I am going to talk about shortly. Let's look at all the 7 variants that we have today. But before that, a quick mention for my friend Samarth, whom these watches belong to. The first 2 are the regular GA2100s in black and red color editions. The next in line is the Earth Tone series, also known as GA2110 ET in the blue and the grey colors that you see. Then we have the Skeleton series in the form of GA2100 SKE, which is the transparent pack edition. Following this is the Utility Color edition, also called as GA2110 SU in military green color. And rounding up the collection is the Hidden Coast series in blue color with the reference number of GA2100 HC. Now let us quickly delve into the specifics of the Casio that we have. It keeps a very accurate time with 48 cities and 31 time zones included, and you can also incorporate daylight savings according to the time zone you are present in. The stopwatch offers you a precise timing for all athletic and other related activities where you can measure up to 1/100th of a second. The countdown timer is a perfect use case for birthdays, anniversaries or any other special occasions with a 24-hour countdown window. You can set 5 daily alarms with hourly time signals in the form of a beep. Native to the G-Shock, this one has a double LED backlight indicator to navigate your watch through low light conditions and cinemas. The light can be adjusted for either 1.5 or a 3-second duration. You can set the time in 12 or 24-hour formats and a calendar function up to 2099 with a hand shift feature to slide away the hands to provide an unobstructed view while you are setting the watch. The hand and the markers are also applied with the Neo-Bright Lume to give it decent visibility under low lighting conditions. With the long list of features that the Casio carries, this is the most sought after watches in this category. And the best part about this watch being that it can be worn by an 18-year-old or a 40-year-old alike. The long list of features that the Casio provides makes it a tough bargain to ignore this watch, and it definitely nudges the competitors away. With the umpteen colors and variants available, everyone has something available as per their choice and taste. So are you going to buy this watch in 2024? What are you wearing today?